What is going on, everybody's tuned up tight back at it with another video, and you guys are probably wondering where the fuck have I been at. Well, a lot of shit has been going on since the last time I posted, and it's time I tell y'all the truth. So last time I posted, you know, we did a reveal on a new car, and you know, we had a lot of goals in mind, we had a lot of ideas and new things that we wanted to do for the channel. But I'm sorry to say, guys, but you guys are never going to see that car again. A little after that video was shot, that vehicle got totaled, guys. I know. I was in New York, and basically I was trying to make a left turn. Some guy that was high, he had an expired license and everything, was racing against another car, and unfortunately when he was racing, he was in the wrong lane and he ended up hitting my car. And unfortunately, the damage that I received from that accident was way too much from the my insurance company, State Farm, to cover, so they ended up totaling the car. I know, it's a very, very, very saddening day when it happened. But there's good things and there's bad things. Bad thing is we're not going to see that car again, either probably in the future or in, you know, anytime soon. But the good thing is we're not empty-handed no more. And you guys probably wondering, well, if you got hit, didn't you get paid out or anything? Well, yes, I did get paid out. I did have to pay the bank back first, but I did have a good amount of money left over. So what I ended up doing, I ended up buying another car almost similar to it, but I pocketed the rest in case anything else, you know, unexpected changes happened. This is the new second car reveal for the channel, guys. But I don't know if you guys already know this, but right now we have another BMW on the channel. This one is a 2013 335i rear wheel drive. I know there's some little things that are different from the previous one, but hey, this is going to be a fresh new build, guys, and everything here is going to be basically the foundation to the new videos that's going to coming on the channel. So as you can see, got the M Sport package, track handling. Thing that I like on this car that I didn't have before, we do have the side view cameras for when I'm parking, and that's a very nice plus for me. I didn't have that on my old car. I always wanted to have that because it looked cool to me. As you can see, it's pretty bone stock, to be honest. No aftermarket, no nothing, just completely bone stock as if it came from the factory. But it leaves us more room to play with, you know, so that's pretty good. As you guys can see, we do have the regular M Sport wheels, which I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really a big fan of the silver, but I do got plans for that coming on soon. Yeah, these are your regular 400Ms, I believe, 400 series. We do have the regular brakes, by the way. Those are the unfinished Brembos, I think. Coming around, you know, it's tinted windows. I forgot what percent it is, I didn't know, but I think it's 20%. By the way, I did get this car from Washington State, and I had it shipped over from an Oregon dealer in Chevrolet. So it wasn't a New Jersey purchase, it was out of state. It was my first out of state deal that I had shipped over here, so it was a little bit nerve-wracking. But if you guys got a car that you really want and it's out of state, in my case, I had to get on this one because not only did it have a lot of good options for the price that they gave me, and in my area all the cars that were similar to this were fucking skyrocket. So as you can see, going back to the car, these do have the same rims all around. A little bit concerning that when I guess during the delivery, some oil or some shit that got collected onto the car during its transit, that little black splatter all over the side of the car from like here all the way to the front. But it's all right, I guess. I don't think it's, you know, something that's sticking on, like it's coming off a little bit. But If I just use a clay bar, I should be fine. For the tires all around, we got some Pilot Sport All Season 3+s. These look relatively brand new. They still got the little tread wear needles on the side. Going back around, we do have the rear and what? That was funny. I've never seen a Ford minivan have an exhaust like that. Anyway, it is the rear. You got it, you know, regular 335 emblems, no X drive this time, guys. So this is a rear wheel drive car. It's gonna be a new experience for me. I never had a rear wheel drive before. What else? Oh yeah, the emblems. I'm still on the fence about it. I'm not sure if I want to black them out or completely remove them like the last one, but you know, it's still up in the air for me. I'm not sure yet. Going down, you do have a regular M Sport diffuser along with the regular stock tips. I do got plans for that coming along, just like the last car. A previous buyer, or previous owner I should say, had a carbon fiber lip on it. I don't know how I really feel about it. I don't know, it looks a little too flat for me. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet, but it's okay. I waxed the car yesterday, so it's it looks nice, but I think these little fingerprints all around the car are getting to me. There we go. Anyway, yeah, I gotta clean that up. Yeah, this is on the right side view, you know, same thing all around. No smoked out turn signals or mirror caps, but you know, it's okay. We're gonna change that soon. We're gonna fucking change that, you know. This is the M55 motor, not the electric wastegate though. This is the pneumatic wastegate one. So meaning, instead of having an electric wastegate with a larger downpipe, this one has a pneumatic one, which is a mechanical one. So it spools up a little bit slower, I'm not gonna lie. What else? It has a little bit smaller downpipe compared to my electric wastegate one, the 2014 one. And it has a little bit lesser horsepower, but that's fine because, you know, I do got plans for that coming along soon, later in the year. Stay tuned for that. As for the interior, this is your regular, you know, M Sport interior. Black seats. Yes, I know. I'm not really a big fan of the black seats. I really wish I had the red seats again, but you know, the red seats on a 335 for good mileage is pretty much impossible to find. But going on to the inside, let me move my keys real quick. Going on to the inside, you do have your, you know, regular interior. This one has a silver trim, hexagon, I believe, with the blue edging. Not really a big fan of that. Do want to change that out. One thing I do not like about this is that it does not have the Harman Kardon audio system, as you can see. Does it sound a little bit different? Yes. Is it a game changer? No. You know, it's doable. Going back into the inside is basically everything pretty much the exact same. No carbon trimmings or anything, because you know, this is bone stock again. This does have, you know, the button for the 360 cam, which is here. It's pretty cool. We do got floor mats from BMW provided. We do have the blind spot assistance on this one, which I didn't have before, which I think is pretty cool. And going back to the back side, pretty much the same exact thing. The leather is actually pretty good condition considering the age. It does have 77,000 miles, which is a little bit higher, but you know, it's okay. You know, it's okay. Don't mind my phone, but yeah, this is okay. If you guys want to hear the back, the exhaust or anything, let me show you right now. Let me put it in sport. Like I mentioned before, this is completely stock, so I'm guys gonna sit you right here and let you guys hear it for yourself. 1 second. As you can see, it got a little bit baby burbles, It's not as loud as I really want it to be. But then this is stock exhaust, you know, it's full muffler, full resonator, full everything. So that's gonna change soon. But yeah, guys, this is the new reveal, or part 2 reveal on the channel. You know, I do apologize to you guys as not being as consistent or explaining what, sorry, a lot of cars in this area, but explain what had happened. I do still want to provide content for you guys, and I still want to get back into the channel. So as now we're moving with this car, we will be going forth, you know, providing more content, more videos and shit. Don't think that we disappeared from you guys. Nah, I'm still here, still going to be uploading content. I just had to get over this little situation I had with the previous car, but we're back and better. This is going to be a blank slate, so you know, a whole lot of new upgrades, whole lot of new content that I couldn't really provide before because it was already done on the car, but now we could do that here. So yeah, now that's my video for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, man. Tuned Up Ty out.